Hey guys, welcome to the channel, Taking the Bathroom. The bathroom is the only place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and check out my ebook, www.themanwhosetsetcellphoneonfire.com. We also have a PayPal donation link in the description of this video. All right, Tech, what you doing, man? You got on a hoodie, a towel, you all sweaty. Well, I just came from the gym. And one of the things I wanted to share with you guys, how technology can help us actually live healthy. Now, you know, this is a tech channel, and so everything I try to do, I try to include technology. You know, I have a couple of air fryer videos out there. One of my post meals that I like to eat, rotisserie chicken. You don't have to buy it from the store. If you have the power air fryer oven, you can do it at home. Now, who is this video not for? This video is not for anybody that is a self-proclaimed chef. Not for you. If you are a food police, not for you. I've been cooking since I was 10, so I'm 40 right now, 30 years in the game, never poisoned anyone, and I never got sick myself. So these methods that I use is just how I cook my chicken, guys. I'm not cooking for the greater public, cooking for myself and my family. Like I said, I've been doing this, so please, food police, keep your comments to yourself. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get into the kitchen. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I prepare my chicken and how easy it is with the power air fryer oven. Be right back. All right, so I have the bird right here. It's good, it's ready to go. Now the first thing I want to do is I want to use my Tony Saccharin injector. So I'm just going to go ahead and inject that into the bird. It's a whole little injection kit that comes with it. What to do, go ahead, take the needle, twist it on, and we want to pour it into the injector. As such, worry about the mess, guys. You just stick your bird, inject it. Different people have different methods. This is mine. I go up in there, just suck all that goodness out. Make sure that I really get the breast full of that injector. It's a nice flavor to it. Make sure that it's not dry. Like I said, it's just how I do it. I know the internet. You guys are gonna be like, why you did it like that? I do it like this. It's how I do it, people. It's how I do it. All right, now we have that. What we want to do is go ahead and season it up. So what I have is I have a blend of seasoning, and it's basically just some Tony seasoning. Go ahead and put it all over the bird. Add a little bit salt and pepper, a little lemon pepper to it, but really want to get that seasoning to the bird. But this is what we're going to do right here. That nice flavor on the outside of it, so that you really massage that seasoning in there. All right, so now we have everything together. We're ready to go ahead and connect the chicken. Now with the air fryer oven, you have these little spokes or sparks until your chicken to hold it in place. They hold it on your rack, hold it in your training rack. So what I kind of do, guys, I just kind of go ahead and pre-adjust it. And you can see I have a little indentation right there. You screw it down. But depending on the size of your bird, you have to adjust it on there. So I'm gonna keep this loose. I can just slide it back and forth. And then I'm gonna repeat the same process on the other side. Now you can go ahead and you can tie the bird legs or whatever to give it more room. This bird is sort of like middle down the road. You can't put a big bird on there, but you know, you can get it done. So leave one end open, go ahead and pass it through, and then connect the other end. All right, so what you're gonna see me do now, is gonna go right here to the meaty part of the chicken. Just stab it in it right there. Stab it in it. Just gonna place it inside the chicken. Make sure that it's nice and firm. Then I want to tighten this down. On the other end, I want to adjust this. All right, there we have it. It's good to go. So by the time you finish messing around with it, you can see you're losing a little bit of your injection. and some of your seasoning have came off. So what I do, I just go ahead and hit it again with the seasoning. I just like that nice crust on the outside of the rotisserie chicken. And I hit it again with the injection. All right, so let's go ahead and put it in. Now remember, you gotta make sure that you put it in the correct way. The one with the 2 notches goes towards the right, and the one with the 1 notch goes into the groove in the left. You just set it in there. It's gonna sit right here. Now as you can see, the leg is kind of dragging. So that's probably why some people want to tie it up, but we're not gonna tie it up. We're just gonna let it go ahead and turn. I have everything nice and secure. Close this up. Right, we have everything in there. You guys already know I used it till all the words came off. Press power. Chicken. I'm gonna turn my temp up to 400 degrees. And I wanna press that little circle, right? That's gonna rotate the chicken. Now let's have a look in there, turn on the light, and you can see the chicken rotating. So you can see it rotating, guys. It's not the smoothest rotation, because you can see it's dragging a little bit. If I would have tied the bird up, I would not have had that problem. But I have done this several times, and the bird is going to come out good nevertheless. So you don't have to worry about it sticking too much. It's going to turn. You can see right there, look like it's getting stuck, but it's turning. So we're going to go ahead and let this cook like this for 40 minutes, and then we're going to come back, clean up a little bit so the wife don't fuss at me. Wash our chopping board, because I'm going to use that to cut the chicken open so you guys can see. See you in 40 minutes. All right, so as you can tell, we're done. Now, one of the things I like to do, guys, I like to go ahead and check my temp before I take it out. And have my little handy thermometer right here. Give me a nice little reading. Don't know if you guys can see that. I'm getting a reading of 176. So that bird should be done. Kind of see flavor in the chicken. Nice and juicy. Now what you're seeing right there, that's not blood, people. That's the injection. Just let you know that the injection is all in there. And you seen that we checked the temperature. You can see that pocket of the injection right there. You see it? Look how juicy that is. Hey guys, welcome back. So as you've seen, pretty painless, easy to do, came out nice and juicy. If you're not the type of person that really like your chicken to be that moist, I don't know how a chicken can be too moist, but some people like that extra crispiness. Go ahead and take it up from 40 to 50 or 55 minutes. Like I said, once you put it in there, guys, you set it and you forget it, you're good to go. It's going to make sure that your chicken is nice, juicy, and moist. Depending on the size of the bird, you have to adjust the time. Make sure that you check it with a thermometer and make sure that your temperature is at the right temperature before you eat it or serve it to your family. As always, your boy's taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, don't be tired. Whew, that's a good workout though. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.